The iPhone 17 series and iPhone Air is finally here, and we got our hands on a cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. This orange is stunning, and dare we say it's gonna be the new black. Now, before you even turn on your new iPhone, please install a screen protector. This is the Bare Pane screen protector, a tempered glass screen protector that's super easy to install with its included dust-free alignment tray that gives you a perfect install every time. No special skills needed. Once it's on, you'll barely realize there's even a screen protector thanks to its optical clarity and ultra-thin glass. It's also made to feel just like the actual screen on your iPhone. Next, to enjoy the original design of your new iPhone during the honeymoon phase, the Bare Naked case is the best case for that. And it just so happens we have a matching cosmic orange color that'll give this iPhone a caseless look and feel. The two-tone effect from the iPhone's aluminum unibody and ceramic shield can be seen through the case, and MagSafe works perfectly as well. The Bare Naked case is available in a variety of colors to match your new iPhone. Oh, and if you're wondering how a Bare Naked case in smoke looks like on a cosmic orange iPhone, here you go. We know lots of you are gonna love this look. To those who got the iPhone Air, the Bare Naked case is the perfect case for that, and you don't need us to tell you why. Lastly, for those who have been missing Apple's leather cases of old, you'll find the new Bare Skin case to be the best substitute. It's made with full-grain leather that'll patina beautifully, and now comes with camera control built in. Hurry, get these amazing cases for your new iPhone now.